Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome. Today, in the daily newspaper of Thursday, June the 3rd, 2021. We have three Sudokus left. Sudoku with 4 stars. We have tectonic and a binary. But first, we will solve this baby, and this one will be number 2890. Yes, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. All right. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see, scan the puzzle. I see here in the second row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. Two of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 4. Yes, the 3 and the 4. I see here the 3 and the 4 in this big square. So no 3 and a 4 in these three boxes. The 3 and a 4 goes in those two boxes. 3 and a 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. Oh, alright. So we have a 4 in this third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be there. Oh, alright. Alright. Okay, we have a 5 in this row, a 5 in that row, so there will be a 3 in the middle row, the only place for the 5, should be there. Alright, let me see. Three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these two boxes. So one box left for 9 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 3 and 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. Alright, 6. Then 3. Let me see. 4, 7. 1, 2, 4. Yeah. 3. Well, 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 5 should be there. Alright. 1 is missing, 9 and 7. 8, 2, and 4. 8, 2, 4. Yes. We have in this big square. Wait. I see a 2 in this row, a 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here I saw a 4, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 3, 4, 6, 2, 8. Yes, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. All right. So we have a 1, 7 is missing in the first row column. 1 is missing, 7 is missing, and 1, 7, and 6. Yeah. 1, 7, and a 6 are missing. And look, we have a 1 and a 6 here in the first row. So no 1 and a 6 in this box. The 1 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in the first column for the number 7. Okay. 829, 829, okay. Can I do something with the 2? No. No. 5, 5. Well. 4, 4. 8 and a 6. 8, 6. No. 5, 5. All right. 9, 9. No. I need pairs. We have a 9 and an 8 in this row, a 9 and an 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 9 and 8 as a pair should be in those 2 boxes, 9 and 8. So 2 boxes left in the middle row for the numbers 1 and 7. 1 and 7 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and a 7. All right, 1 and a 7. 3, 4, and a 2. Interesting. 1. 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7. So no 7 in these 3 boxes. There's 7. No 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. All right. 7, 7. Now 1, 1. 4. 2. 6. 2, 3, 6. Need a 6. How about the number? Let me see the number. 3. 8. Not easy at all. Well, 3. 7 with the 6. 6. 8, 7. The 9. Nope. Nope, 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 no. Come on, it's taking too long. It's taking too long. 4. I need a 4 here. Alright, let me put some numbers. It's taking too long. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 4. Could be here, could be there. Same like here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 4 could be here, could be there. All right, then 2, 4, 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between. The only place for the 7 should be there. 719, 719. Need a 9, okay. The 8, 8, 8. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have a 8 in one of those two boxes in this column. So this box cannot be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. This box should be a 9. All right. So 8, 8. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. So we have a pair. 9 and an 8 in one of those two boxes in this column. 9 and an 8 in the last column. So the column between. The only two places for the 9 and the 8 should be in those two boxes as a pair. Alright, so 1 number left in this column for the number 1. Alright. So the 2 is missing. The 4 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 6, 6. Yeah. Well, we have a 6 in one of those 3 boxes in this big square. We have 8, but also a 6. We see there's 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here in those 2 boxes. The other number should be a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there, so the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 3 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. Alright. 1 box left in this row. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And 1 box left in this row for the number 2. Alright. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1 and a 7. We have the 3 is missing. Okay. The 3 is missing. 1 box left in the last column for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about 9, 9, 9, 9. Alright. 9, 9. 2, 2, 2, 2. 8. Need an 8. Okay. 197. 197. Still cannot fill this yet. 197. Okay. 6, 6. 6, 6, 6. 6. 6. No. Ah, 1 and a 5. We already have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left, the 9 and the 8. 9 and 8. 9 and 8. We have an 8 there. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. 2 and 9. 2 and 9. 2 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about 9, 9. 9. Okay. 2. Well, let me think. 5. 1. No. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 6. Overlooked. So we have a 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the only two places for the 6 could be here, could be there. Need to mark them. Alright, so 2 is missing. Yeah. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 9. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be an 8. 8 in this third row, 8 in the first row, so the row between. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the number 6 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 6 goes there. We have 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between. The only place for the 8 should be there, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there, because we already have a 3 there, so the 3 goes here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6, alright. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then those 3 missing numbers, 3, 9, and the 7. 3, 9, 7 are missing in this big square. 3, 9, 7, and look, we have a 3 and a 9 in this row. So no 3 and a 9 in this box. The 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. 7 in this row. 7 in the row below, so the last row. The only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 and 9, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. Wow. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. I have a tectonic and a binary puzzle left. So see you later. Bye bye for now.